on our way to Cotopaxi today, so we have left Otavalo. It's pretty early, it's like 8 a.m. And we have just stopped off at a place for bizcochos. So it's like a biscuit with caramel and cheese, apparently. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to try it because I can't eat gluten, but Leroy's going to be able to try it, so he'll tell us how it tastes. And then we are on our way to Cayambe, and we are going to see the waterfall, the volcano. And it is the only volcano on the equator, so it's going to be interesting. And then we're taking the Pan-American Highway, which goes all the way from Alaska to Argentina, which is super cool. And we're taking that to Cotopaxi. And then I think, hopefully weather permitting, we're going to do some horseback riding. And then chill in the hacienda. This is meant to be a really beautiful hotel that we're going to next. And it's got spa, hot tub, sauna, we can get massages. So yeah, we're going to go try this biscuit. It's like biscuit, cheese and caramel. So we're going to go try that now. Here for a couple of hours, and then we're off to the volcano Cayambe, and then off to Cotopaxi.
Welcome to Cayambe, where we will look at the different cheeses, the different chocolates, and what an experience you're going to have.
Yeah, bizcochos. Yes. Look.
Ooh.
Look at this. Bizcochos. Yes. Today we are about 80 families making bizcochos around in this area, Cayambe. Actually, Cayambe is the only place where bizcochos are made in Ecuador. Yes, we have a nickname, bizcocheros. Yes, we make bizcochos here, bizcocheros. Queso en hoja. This is something unique from Cayambe, from this area. You don't find cheese. This is a cheese. You don't find cheese like this in other places in Ecuador, only in Cayambe. Yeah. The idea to wrap the cheese is to keep fresh. Cheese also absorbs a flavor from the leaf. Be careful while you spread the dulce de leche. Remember the special texture they have, but also be generous with the dulce de leche. Yeah. Number 2, take one cheese and look at this. You need to unroll the cheese like this. Yeah. The idea is to stick on the dulce de leche because we want you to taste on the way we love to do it. Yes. So we have 3 stations. Go for it.
Generous.
And then you unroll the cheese. Like a cheese straw.
Like a cheese string, your favorite.
Yeah.
Wait, it's rolled enough. Wait. Oh yeah.
Good. Cheese, biscuit, caramel.
What's not to love?
Reached the hacienda. We're pretty high. We have good view to Cotopaxi coming in. Super cute here. We are going to grab lunch, and then we're doing horse riding, and then I think we're checking in.
Ready.
It's really cute. Buenas tardes.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at the horses. Wow. armour, guys.
Alright, we've just arrived into our room in the hacienda near Cotopaxi. So this is our room. Little spiral staircase. Some pottery here. And a very, very cool room. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. You got the view there into the courtyard. Nice sized bed. Here we go. And again, an amazing view out. Oh my gosh, so nice. And then the bathroom. Step in. There's a toilet. Bathtub. Shower. And again, a nice view out here. We've got about 2 minutes and then we're about to go on a horse ride for like 2 hours before we go for dinner. So yeah, it's a nice day out near Cotopaxi and we're about to do it now, a 2-hour horse ride.
Hit it out.
Oh, see, yeah.
I need you
After the ride, you will be walking like that one.
Hey. See?
I like this. Nice.
You ever seen a cowboy in Jordans?
Yes, fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is ready.
And this.
This is Poncho.
Poncho. That's Poncho.
And Poncho.
Gracias. Yeah. Yeah.
Good afternoon today and welcome to Hacienda El Porvenir. Here's Miguel and Esteban that are going to be in charge of this activity today.
Charlotte's time to get on her horse.
¿Y ese qué se llama?
Este se llama Quitapenas.
Carly. Yours is called Quitapenas. Like leave your sadness. Leave your sadness.
Leave your sadness.
John.
Wet hair?
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah. It's good.
Gotta relax.
You got this.
Like a pro. Okay.
On the day.
How's it going, babe?
We chill.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it will just
Yeah, we heard you.
In this part, they asked 4,000 meters. 4,000, yeah. We were at 4,000 the other day and we were out of breath. Now I feel like I'm used to it.
Yeah, the horse is doing everything.
Yeah. Cotopaxi.
Altitude is crazy. Losing my breath after like 10 steps.
Going to get back on our horses now. That's not Cotopaxi, guys. That is Cotopaxi.
I need to keep my foot in the thing.
My horse bit Leroy's horse.
Oh, it kicked it.
Oh, kicked you.
Your horse kicked my horse in the face.
Sorry.
Rude.
We just got back from horse riding. It was insanely beautiful, really cool, and we saw a condor, and there's only 28 of them that live in the nearby volcano, so super rare and really cool. They were huge. Apparently they get to a meter when they're standing, so huge. Now we're back. We're gonna chill in the games room. There's a really nice games room in this hostel. It's Leroy, and then there's a nice little fire here, nice and warm. So we've got about an hour for dinner, and then we're gonna just play games before that, and chill out. So yeah, see you in a bit. Another cute room in the hacienda. They've got this little lounge. Oh, we're having a meeting at the group.
Feel free, because I'm only gonna bring you 3 or 4 of those. Oh, what the hell?
We always ordered the biggest thing on the menu. Good morning. It is 7 AM here. It's Monday, and we are going to hike Cotopaxi today. We're not going all the way to the top, but we're doing the base camp. Should take us about 2 hours. We're going to get an early start because the clouds come down in the night, and so you get a better view. So we're hoping we get a good view of it. It's so beautiful here. I'm sad that we're only doing one night. We'll add the link to where we're staying, but it's gorgeous. We slept with the curtains open so we can see the stars. Yeah, it was really nice. So yeah, we're going to hike Cotopaxi, and then we're on a 7-hour coach journey down to Cuenca, which is our last stop, sadly. We're there for 3 nights, so we've still got lots of time left. So we'll see you at Cotopaxi.
Alright, at Cotopaxi volcano, second highest active volcano. It has erupted in over 100 years, but ash and ash and some of the fire has. Look at this thing. Look at it. Cotopaxi, you know. Insane. Look at that. Absolutely. What is it? Ash and
Steam.
Ash and steam.
Since 2014,
Yeah,
so you've been able to
2014.
summit. They're hoping to open it this year.
But it hasn't erupted in well over 100 years. But yeah, we're about to explore a bit more. We're here in the clouds. Welcome to Cloud Mountain. Where in 2 minutes you can see Cotopaxi. 30 seconds later, disappeared. Wow. Yeah. You know, welcome to the national park. Where everything is amazing. I want to run into the clouds.
We might not find you.
Insanity. How cool is this? Take it in. Second highest active volcano.
Un condor, viene el condor.
That's very special.
It's 2 in 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It could be like a dead animal or something, maybe.
That's a condor.
Yeah, do you want to see it?
Yeah.
You gotta catch it. I took off my sunglasses.
Where is it?
It's there.
Probably.
Left diagonally.
Looking directly at the sun right now.
No.
With these.
Sun's over there.
You. One job. White bird seems so close. Oh my gosh. Right now, hiking around Cotopaxi. We're not even walking too uphill. And this elevation has got us breathing very deeply. Look, it's not even steep at all. Oh. And everyone is just taking big deep breaths, and it is a bit of a struggle, but we will keep pushing on because the views are amazing.
Some leaves in there?
Yeah. Anything to help with the altitude.
You can spit it out if it doesn't work out. Like, you really don't like it.
What are we chewing? What's this called? Chewing on the cocoa leaves to help with the altitude, hopefully. Charlotte's about to throw it up. Carl can't handle the cocoa leaves.
I just want that on film.
Alright, we're now on the home straight, on the walk around Cotopaxi. The altitude has been kicking all of our butts. We just had some of the cocoa leaves, which seem to have helped. Don't know if it's psychological or it really has helped, but the altitude's not as bad now. As we're on the walk back, the clouds are still strong. Cotopaxi not visible, but yeah, on the way back.